Hi everyone, welcome back to Beginner's Guide for Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a PHP development environment from scratch. Whether you're just starting with PHP or need a refresher, this guide is for you. First, we need to configure our local server. I've already installed XAMPP, which includes Apache, MySQL, and PHP. If you haven't installed it yet, I've put a link in the description on how to download and install XAMPP. For now, open your XAMPP control panel and start the Apache and MySQL modules. Next, let's set up our code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code VS Code. If you haven't installed VS Code yet, check the link in the description for a download guide. Now, let me show you how to install the PHP extension in VS Code. Open Visual Studio Code. On the left sidebar, click on the extensions icon, which looks like for squares. In the search bar, type PHP. You should see a list of extensions. Choose the one called PHP Intelligence or a similar popular PHP extension, and click Install. Once installed, the extension will automatically enable syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, and other helpful features for PHP development. Now, let's test if everything is working. Open your XAMPP installation directory, navigate to the 8x folder, and create a new PHP file. To create a simple PHP script, head over on the search bar and type Notepad and click Once It Show. Write a simple PHP script and save it as PHP format. Open your web browser. To access your file, type localhost your file name .php. If you see your PHP code output, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully set up your PHP development environment. You're now ready to start coding and developing PHP applications. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.